So what's up everyone? Many of you already requested me to create a video on Unreal Engine 5. This video is basically for those Unreal animator. They are using Unreal Engine 5 and also the MetaHuman plugin. So as you already aware of what is MetaHuman basically a skeleton mesh which has inbuilt body, arms, rigs and stuffs. But the problem is in Unreal Engine 5 they did not sort out with how animations will happen, like how those muscles, like those rigs and controls, everything happen. Because when you are using MetaHuman for the first time, if I add one MetaHuman over there at actor to sequencer, and if we can add like something, so you'll get this kind of advanced control leak, which is supposed to be more difficult to use. As you can see, there are a lot of things, lot of splines, controls, things working. So how you can easily animate any of your MetaHuman without using any rigs? Just simply first delete this rigs over there from the body and face also. So for this example, I have taken this MetaHuman. You can also download it from Fab, obviously, and this is the tool you need to use it for the application purpose, which is the face landmarker link.exe. And there is also a sample face video you need, because if I play this video, you will see definitely that this is my face and I'm just acting like I changing my jaws. Okay, then also my eyes are blinking. You can do some kind of your figure structure. So how you can put these animations over that thing? So many of you already asked me to create a video on that. So for that you simply need this tool. So you'll get this from the link in the description. You can download that and you must open this tool. So for the first time it will take some time to load, because it will using the custom Python script file. And press Y to continue, then Y to continue again. And here, from here, you need to select the video that you want to the data from it. So I just simply press the open. So you can see it is now completely detecting, automatically detecting face with the face mesh, which is currently recording the record file on face.mp4. And it gives you some kind of a face mesh or face wrap, and it tracked my face angles, like face movements. And after giving some time, it will, you can see these are the gestures are automatically recorded by this tool basically. So make sure you have kind of good CPU and also GPU perform for tracking the landmarkers. And you don't need to purchase this tool, it is completely free and you can download it from the description as well. And after tracking this data done, give some time and it will soon complete it. So as you were giving the permission to head tracking, it also track the head movement also, and it is tracking the whole, the left, right, both eyes and head. And the duration also depends on the length of your video basically. And give some time more. As you can see, our data is completely complete tracked, and you will get this type of file, which is the CSV file, or basically the Excel file. You don't need to open from there. You will get this kind of text like face plane shape. So first you need to create one project, which I have already opened and created one project. I opened my sample project, And you can see I placed one metahuman character over there with the sample camera to just show you how everything can be done. And open your content drawer, and over there you need to simply import the file. Either you can import from here like import to, or you can simply just minimize this for a moment, and you can simply drag and drop over there. And after drag and dropping over there, it will completely drop there, because I already imported, so it is saying that failed to re-import. And after importing the file, you will get this type of file like face blend shape. Just simply double click on this file, and during double click you will get some time. Basically it takes some time to load it properly. So let me come close this one first. Okay, so this was the file. And for the first time you need to set up some plugins before you start. You need to go to the edit, then plugins over there, and you need to search for the MetaHuman plugin before you continue. Make sure MetaHuman plugin, MetaHuman project utilities, MetaHuman sounds, and also live link. These are some, okay, live link control rig, live link camera, live link hub, face importer. Okay, you must enable these, then you must restart the program. So let me close this one because I think it has some problem with the sequence handling. So we will re-import our animation again. Let me delete this and again import. And now double click on this. So you can see after pressing the double click, it will give you some kind sort of all axis tracking data like eyes, blinking, like those are data you have already captured with the camera raw file, like camera video file. So if I play this or drag drop like that, nothing is happening till now. You are connecting your character to connect to the character. You just simply select the character, go to detail panel, and over there under live link, and you will find this AR kit face subject. So from here you need to select the data file, the CSV file. If you are already did, you don't need to do again second one, you can do that. So okay, and after that you can simply play like that your face data is completely loaded. You can check. So for that you don't need to purchase any kind of thing. You can simply create your own video file, and you can link your uh, file with the MetaHuman. You can see that I'm blinking the eyebrows. I also change the mouth position. Okay, you can do like that. So I hope this video will help you. If you find it, you can subscribe, and you can get this description. So go there and check out, and you can simply unzip it, and you can start.